Hi. Yesterday I told you how some people are making profit by buying USDT at 85, 86 and selling it in India somewhere between 90 to 95. But today let's talk about the real problem behind this. Some people are using this method for fraud in a smart but dangerous way. So what happens is a scammer cheats someone online, maybe by sending a fake message or a call or through website, and he gets the money from the people. But instead of taking that money in his own account, the scammer tells a student or a young person or someone who is not aware about the digital scams. So the scammer says, give me your bank account, I will transfer this money into your bank account, then you buy the USDT on behalf of me and send it to my wallet. The student thinks, it's okay, I'm just helping, maybe I'll get some commission. But what's really happening is that person's bank account is being used to send the black money out of India, maybe not directly, but indirectly. And once that money is sent as USDT, it is gone forever. The wallet where it goes has no name, no Aadhaar, no PAN, nothing. So it's completely untraceable. Even the police or government cannot find out where that money is gone actually. That's why these days you must have heard someone saying like this: my bank account got freezed because of some cyber issue, or there is some lien on my bank account, but I didn't do anything illegally. Even gaming and betting apps are doing the same thing. They take the money from users in rupees and change into USDT and quietly send it outside India. Recently, our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman also said publicly, if any startups or company are working to stop this kind of cyber crimes, the government is ready to support them. This has become a serious issue now, and this is not just about making profit anymore, it is about saving our country's money and protecting the future of our youth. So if you or someone you know is using crypto, please be very, very careful. Do not get involved in something which you do not understand fully. Now, if you want to understand how really money moves, both legally and illegally, follow me for more, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.